Okay, we're putting the K-cup into the coffee maker, closing the lid, making sure it's tightly shut. We turn it on, wait for the lights to stabilize. Our brew size is set at 14 ounces, so we're going to go ahead and start and wait for it to make coffee. Now it takes a few minutes to heat up and all that, I realize, so we're just going to let it go for a while. And this is basically what happens. It reaches this point, but never pumps any water through the system, never seems to heat anything up. We used to hear a fair amount of sound coming out of the Gevi while it was in the brew process, and then it would pour the coffee into the cup. But this is what we're getting now. No action after it. The circuitry seems to all be in place and operating correctly. So it seems almost like a fuse is burned out somewhere in there. So we're going on 2 minutes now, waiting for coffee to come out. And what's happening in its broken state now is that nothing is coming out. We could sit here and just wait and wait and wait and wait, and no coffee is going to be produced. So normally at this time, there should have been some sounds of, the brewing going on inside the machine and coffee being disgorged into the cup, but none of that is taking place. And just for completeness, let me point out that the water is all the way up to just about all the way up to the max fill line. Yet we don't have anything going on inside the coffee maker as far as we can tell. Okay, that's it. Hope this helps you out in some respect. Bye for now.